All right, so this is another example and where we're going to use multiplication and addition. It says, Carl used a new bag of flour to bake 3 cakes. Okay, so he baked 3 cakes. He used 62 ounces of flour for every cake. Well, let's go there again. 62 ounces for 1 cake. So that relationship is between cakes and ounces. Okay. So he used he baked 3 cakes and he used
1 cake.
1 cake he used 62 ounces. Okay. 1 cake used 62 ounces, he baked 3 cakes.
Wait, ¿qué es 62?
Okay. Now look, the next sentence says, there were 72 ounces left in the bag. There were 72 ounces left in the bag. Is that part of this relationship? No. He has left in the bag 72 ounces. And the question says, draw a diagram to show how to find F, the amount of flour that was in the bag before Carl used it. If I want to know how much flour was in the bag before I use it, what would I have to do with these two amounts? I would need to add them. This is what he used for the cakes. This is what is left in the bag. So if I want to know how much was there before, I will have to add. Right? So for example, and I'm going to give you an example to think about it. So let's say I ate 3 bananas from the table and there are 4 left over. How many were there before I ate them?
4.
I ate 3 bananas and there are 4. How much were there before? 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So same thing here. The only difference is that before I can add how much was that, what do I need to figure out first? What do I need to figure out first?
Cakes and ounces.
How many ounces
are in 3.
in 3 cakes? So I need to figure out how many ounces he used in these 3 cakes. Okay. So my relationship is between cakes and ounces. He baked 3 cakes. I don't know how many ounces he used, but I know that each cake used 62 ounces.
Okay.
So my relationship, how do I go from 1 to 62? Okay. Can I multiply 3 times 62? All right. So it's times 62 times 62. So to figure out how many ounces he used for the 3 cakes, I need to multiply my 3 cakes times 62 ounces each. So let's break 62. 3 times 60.
What?
180. And 3 times 2. 6. 180 plus 6. 86. What? Ounces. So now I know that the 3 cakes used 186 ounces and there was 72 left in the bag. So to see how much was there before, to figure out how many, to find F, the flour that was there before, first I had to multiply 3 times 62. This is what he used in the cake.
Plus 2.
And I need to add 72, which is the flour that was left in the bag. 3 times 62 is 186 plus the 72 that are left. So 186 plus 72. 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2? 8. 8 plus 7? 15. And 1 plus 1? 2. So it's 258 what? Ounces. So now I know that the bag had 258 ounces, but I need to draw a model or my diagram. For that, I'm gonna go back to my original equation, the one that is gonna help me figure it out.
Ya no quiero ser.
So, I need to draw exactly what this model says. 3 bags times 62 ounces each bag. So I need 3 bags. 1 bag. 2 bags. 3 bags. Or not 3 bags, sorry, 3 cakes. Because he baked 3 cakes. 1, 2, 3 cakes. And each cake used 62 ounces. 62 ounces, 62 ounces, 62 ounces. But it also says that at the end there were 72 ounces left in the bag. So to these I need to add 72. And since 72 is bigger than 62, I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger.
¿Cuánto?
72.
Yo todavía no entiendo cómo saca tres de esos.
I'll explain to you in a second. So, the 3 cakes with 62 ounces each, how many ounces did he use for these 3 cakes?
186.
86 ounces.
82.
86 ounces. And he has these 72 ounces left at the end. So the total, everything together, is 186 plus 72 is
258.
58 ounces. So the bag had 258 ounces.